What's up, guys? It is November the 17th, and it is 3:04 in the afternoon, and as always, I'm running really late. I'm actually really running late today, later than usual, especially because I got about a 15-minute bike ride to get in here, and I got to climb a tree. I already have a stand on a tree, but I haven't climbed it yet. I just moved it one day. I hunted it in bow season on a really bad day, so I'm gonna have to probably adjust it and make sure everything's right. It's a pretty good spot. I've been waiting on them to cut this corn on private. It's two little cornfields, and they've already cut one of them, and they're cutting the corn that's across the street. I'm right next to some thick stuff, which is I'm hoping is bedding area, and I can catch these deer going to that private in the afternoons. Fingers crossed. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you guys in the tree. Alright, I'm already off to a bad start. I don't really like this setup. I can't see crap. It's some of them woods. If you hunt, you know what I'm talking about. Woods that when you're on the ground, it looks wide open, but once you climb a tree, you might as well be bow hunting. I don't know how this is going to work out for me. I'm going to be right on top of deer if I see them. My orange vest, when I was putting this jacket on, slid off the jacket. It's hanging in the tree behind me. I can't reach it, and I'm scared to try to reach out for it very much. I left my safety harness back at the truck. So, I don't know. It's 3:30. Got about 2 hours to hunt. Hopefully it starts getting a little better. Those does come in on me. I guess they smell my ground scent. The winds hit me in the face and they were to my right. They didn't come where I figured the deer would come from. Got about 20 more minutes of daylight. I think what I'm gonna do is slip down. And where my bike is parked is a big old bean field that they just cut. See if I can't spot something out there before it gets too dark. It's about done got too dark. I figured there'd be some deer out here. That one was probably 200 yards away. I couldn't tell what it was. It wasn't no good buck. If it wasn't a doe, it was a little spike, but it's too far to really make a call. I kind of feel like this afternoon was a waste. I hate doing hunts like that. At least I know how that stand is now, so I won't waste another day on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up. I'm already at my bike. I'm gonna ease to the truck and get after them again in the morning. Probably at that clear cut. It's gonna be cold. Ought to be a good morning. I'll try to lay something down. See you then. What's up, guys? Very next morning, and it's 4:27, and I am fixing to get in my truck. Got it all loaded up, looking like Sanford and Son. That's the one downfall of having a mid-sized truck. That short bed can't hold a lot of gear, especially if you're gonna be doing some scouting. I got my bike in there, an extra stand, a deer cart. I got a box full of tools that I always keep back there, and a box full of my hunting clothes, my outer layer. So it's jam-packed. Anyhow, let's make that long trip to Ames. It's an hour and 10 minutes from my house, so let's get a move on. Alright, it's about 10:45. I ended up seeing 6 deer total, but it's been slow. I had them 2 does and a fawn. Actually, one of them winded me, and that's why they was running. The other 3 deer I seen, 2 of them, I don't know what they were. I just seen them for like a split second. And then the last one I seen about 45 minutes ago was a little buck crossing this clear cut, but it was almost the same thing. I looked up and there was a deer, and a few seconds later it was gone. But go ahead and slip down. I got a camera just right here. I'm gonna check it. And then I got another camera. It's a good ways from here. It'll be a bike ride. I'm gonna go check it. And then once I get done there, I think I'm gonna go to that private land. I got 2 cameras over there and check them. And depending on what I got on cameras, probably dictate what I do the rest of the day. I want to do some scouting, try to find something. I'll probably pull one of them cameras and keep in my backpack in case I find something to put it on. I got all day. Need to eat a sandwich here in a minute too. I done got a little hungry. Alright, let's slip down. Alright, well, check some cameras, did some scouting. I ain't really got no news that's worth the crap to tell about it. Actually, best thing I had on camera was on that private land, but almost every single picture of every single deer was at night over there, which is weird because you would imagine, you would think they're not even getting pressured. Ain't nobody hunting over there. But I'm gonna hunt this tree line. I hunted it once or twice this year during bow season. I was running the camera in here, and I got pictures of one mature buck. His rack wasn't about crap, but he's a mature deer. And if I see him, I'll shoot him. I'm trying to put another camera out too while I'm here, since I pulled 2 of my cameras. I couldn't find nothing else to put them on. But I'll see you guys in the tree. Two little bucks. I guess I've had worse days. Be back after it bright and early in the morning. Well, good morning. This is the last day of my hunt as far as this little stretch I've been on. Warmed up a lot. It's 47 degrees right now. It's probably going to drop another couple by daylight. And I'm hunting a spot that I haven't even stepped foot in all year. It's actually the last time I killed a deer on this hunting club, which was about 2 years ago, was right here in this spot. So I'm not exactly going in blind, but it kind of feels like it in a way. I gotta put a stand on a tree, and it's probably a good 10-minute bike ride to get back there, and another at least 5-minute walk to get to where I'm want to put a stand up. So I guess I need to get a move on. I'll see you guys in the woods. Probably a good thing he didn't hang around very long. That was a pretty decent buck. Looked to be 3.5 though. I didn't really get a great look at his horns, but I'd say he's right around 120. I'd really like to hold out for about a 130 or a buck that I think for sure is 4.5. He's obviously looking for something though. He might come back by, give me a better look at him. He had weak brow tines. That's one reason that I didn't automatically think to shoot him. But it's good to see a bigger buck on his feet. Maybe something else will come by. Alright, it's about 10 o'clock. I haven't seen a deer since that pretty good buck. I wouldn't mind sitting a little longer. I usually don't get down till closer to 11, but this weather sucks. It's getting warm quick and it's windy as crap. And there's a spot I want to check out right down the way. I'm going to go look at it, and also I got a camera with me, and on my walk in this morning I seen a scrape about 60 yards from where I'm at right now. I'm going to put it out. So anyhow, this will probably conclude the video of this little hunting trip. And I signed to be off this weekend at work. I don't know if I'll get it or not, but if I do, I'm going to be hunting those 2 days, and if not, I'll be back at it I guess Tuesday morning. And I'm going to hunt Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Hopefully catch up with something nice. Anyhow, appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.